Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So, in my previous video, I have said that a video about HTML basics. In this video, we will learn total tags and what are the uses of that tags, total tags in HTML. So, in this video, we will learn these topics. So, let's go. If you want to learn the HTML basics, I have already made a video on HTML basics. The link is in description box. Please watch that video and learn HTML basics. Let's start with this signs. Tag 1 is this type of signs. This type of signs describe a common text in the source code. This is also in HTML5 version. The first we use is doc type. Doc type defines a doc type document type. We add here HTML. That means this is a doc type HTML. This is also in HTML5 version. A means a link. Specific a anchor hyperlink used for link in internal external web documents. This is also in HTML5 version. ABBR describes an abbreviation. This is also in HTML5 version. Acronym. This tag describes an acronyms. This removed in HTML5 version. Address describes an address information. If you want to add your address in HTML document, we use this type of tags. This is also in HTML5 version. Some tags are removed in HTML5 version. Applet, applet. This tag is embedding an applet in HTML document. This is removed in HTML5 version. Area. Area tag defines an area in an image map. If you want to paste an image map in your HTML document, we use area tag. This is also in HTML5 version. Article. Article defines an article. If you want to write an article, you will use this tag, article tag. This is new in HTML5 version. This is not in HTML, old version. Aside. Aside tags. Aside tag describes content set or write on aside place in page content. This is new in HTML5 version. Audio. Specific audio content. This is new in HTML5 version. In old HTML old version, you did not have any option to add an audio. B. Specific text weight bold. This is also in HTML version, old version and new version. Base. Base is a tag that defines a base URL for all the links in a web page. This base tag defines a base URL for all links within a web page. This is also in old and new versions in HTML. Base font. Base font tag describes a default font color size face in a document. This is removed in HTML5 version because of some problems with this tag. BB. BB tag define a browser command. That command invoke as per client action. This is not clear in HTML5 version, or it new or removed, because sometimes it works or sometimes not works in HTML5 version. BDO. BDO is a tag that specific direction to text display. If you want to display text in your HTML document, specific text, you will use BDO tag. This is also in old and new versions in HTML. Big tag defines a big text. If you want to write a big text in your HTML document, you will write this tag in old version only because it removed in HTML5 version. Block quote, specific a long quotation. Some web pages are created to write quotations. They use this type of tags. If you want to write a quote, you will use block quote tag. This is also in old and new versions. Body, you will know this body. This is a basic tag in HTML. It defines a main section body part in HTML document. This is in both versions. BR, specific a single line break. If you want to break line, you will use this type of tags. This is in both versions. Button, specifies a press push button. This is a basic tag in HTML. This is also in new and old versions. Canvas tag specifies the display graphics on HTML web document. If you want to create an graphics in your HTML document, you will use this canvas tag. This is new in HTML document, HTML5 version. Caption, define a table caption. If you want to write a table caption, you will use this caption tag. This is also in both. Center, specifies a text is display in center algin. This is removed in HTML5 version, so this is not wanted to learn. Cite, specifies a text citation. Code, specifies computer code text. If you want to write some codes in your HTML document that are also be found to all, you will write this type of code tag. Col tag specifies each column within a col group element in table. This is also in both. Col group defines a group of one or more columns inside table. This is also in both. Command, define a command button invoke as per user action. This is a command button in your HTML document. This is new in HTML5 version. Data grid defines a represent data. Define a represent data in data grid either list wise or tree wise. This is not clear in HTML5 version. Data list, define a list of predefined options surrounding input tag. This is new in HTML5 version. DD defines a definition description in a definition list. This is in both. Del, specific text deleted in web document. Details, defines a additional details hide or show as per user action. This is new in HTML5 version. DFN, define a definition team. Dialogue, define a chat conversation between one or more person. This is not clear. Dir, define a directory list. This is removed in HTML5 version. Div, define a division part. If you want to divide one part into two parts in your HTML document, you will use this div tag. DL, define a definition list. This is in both. DT, define a definition. EM, define a text in emphasize format. EM means if you want to emphasize any words, you will. This is a common tag in HTML. This is in both. Embed, define a embedding external application using a relative plugin. New, this is new in HTML5 version. Event source, defines a source of event generates to remote server. This is not clear. Field set, defines a grouping of related form elements. This is new. This is in both. I have interest to tell the total tags, but it takes too much time. So if you want to learn the total tag, if you want to learn the total tags, the website link is in description box. Please visit that and learn HTML full tags. And please like my video and subscribe my channel.